What to do if your computer gets a virus. A virus can cause serious damage to your computer and compromise your personal information. But don't worry, there are steps you can take to remove a virus and protect your computer from any future attacks. The first step is to run a virus scan using antivirus software. Most computers come with some pre-installed, but if yours doesn't, you can easily download one online. If the scan detects a virus, it will usually quarantine the infected files and provide instructions on how to remove them safely. Make sure to follow these instructions carefully to completely remove the virus from your computer. To protect your computer from future attacks, it's important to keep all of your software up to date. This includes your operating system, web browser, and any other programs or applications you use regularly. These updates often include security patches and fixes that can prevent future vulnerabilities that viruses exploit. Practicing safe browsing habits is another important step in protecting your computer. This includes being cautious when downloading files or clicking on links, avoiding suspicious websites, and never opening emails or attachments from unknown senders. By following these steps, you can remove a virus from your computer as well as protect it for the future. To learn more, visit gcfglobal.org.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.